All right, guys, we've been putting out here for a little bit. Everybody's nice and loose. So I want to go over just a couple quick fundamentals, and then I got a drill for you guys, and just a little bit of explanation on putting. So one thing I want to talk about is the putter path, and this is something that can be kind of difficult to realize what you're actually doing. But how about if I stand right here and everybody can look behind me? We're gonna talk about how that can influence the ball. So, like, you understand when I say push or pull a putt, right? Push is right, pull is left. So the way the path can influence that, you take it way out here and come across, you're probably gonna push this putt and miss to the right, and vice versa. If you have a putting stroke that might wrap on you and you come this way, you might pull the putt and go a little bit left. So one thing, and this is one thing I try to look at when I'm practicing putting, a good thing you can do is, you see this part right here, the bottom of the shaft on your putter? One thing you can do using your peripheral vision, so you're looking at the golf ball, but what you're actually concentrating on, you're not concentrating on hitting that golf ball, but almost imagining that the base of that putter is in a straight line, okay? So if you sit right there and try it with me here, and using just your peripherals to see, if you imagine a line here, and that it's gonna travel basically on that, feeling like a straight back, straight through, that's really gonna give you a good chance to hit a nice square putt. And that'll help with some of your alignment issues involved with that. The middle of the golf ball, and it was pretty thin, but the second one, with just a little bit of change, went super high.
Right.
And even on a day like today, in this wind, that can be really exaggerating your misses on the golf course. So if that happens on the golf course, you take a golf swing, and it gets a little too high like that, you know that you're swinging a little bit too far up. So how would you change that? Using that knowledge of the ball flight, how would you fix that?
I guess you just try to move it back in your stance a little bit.
Yeah, I would definitely move
So
it
you're
back in my
coming-
stance a little bit.